Lay out the 4 aluminum frame sections flat and fix the poster guide rails in place. Insert the poster baffle, baffle fixing brackets, frame reinforcing brackets, and reinforced square tubes into both ends of the aluminum frame sections. Screw the 3 rectangular double nuts onto the frame reinforcing brackets. Align and insert into the groove of the other frame section. Then tighten the poster guide rail screws. Repeat the above steps on the other side to complete the frame assembly. Then install the 2 reinforcing frames into the corresponding holes and tighten the screws. Hook the double hook tensioner to the diagonal corners to ensure the frame dimensions are consistent and do not deform. Install and fix the frame and other reinforcing frames using screws. Then fix and tighten the module fixing square tubes. Finally, fix the mounting box fixing brackets with screws. Screw on the lifting rings and lift the frame to install the modules. Fix the mounting box with the mounting box fixing plate, then tighten the screws on all 4 sides of the module. Connect the module power cable. Power on and test to ensure the screen lights up. Fix the electrical box inside the column. Install the embedded parts. Lift the column and place it into the corresponding hole. Then lift the installed screen above the column. Put the power cable into the column hole and connect it to the electrical box. Fix and tighten the screen and column with screws. Power on to complete the installation.